Assalamualaikum. I am Rimsha Shafi, one of the faculty members at CSS CORNER Frere Hall. Here we provide free education to the people aspiring to appear in any competitive exams. The initiative has been taken by Sir Taha Salim and Sir Tariq Mustafa. There are benefits of joining Frere Hall because here we don't charge you a single rupee, unlike the academies where they charges you some 80,000 to 75,000. Here we are giving you free of cost education. Along with this, we have a corner here that we have filled with the books of CSS जो आप कभी भी ले सकते हैं, again without any charges. इसके अलावा the teachers we have here, they are subject specialists. We have senior bureaucrats, they are of the 6th common, and then we have fresh bureaucrats as well. So it's a mixture that will provide you with the really experience and exposure that you won't get anywhere else. Here the senior bureaucrats, they are more like a live report, examiner report, which we read on the pages. They tell us the do's and don'ts of the CSS CSS exams. Things have changed and what we should do in our exams. If we see the paper pattern, even that has changed now. And to have a holistic view of any subject, to have a good approach and a grip on any topic, we need to have subject specialists. So we have subject specialists here as well at CSS Corner, and to make you sure that you understand the topic completely, they serve you really well. So I would invite you all and I would encourage you all to take this opportunity and get enrolled here in this institute. Everyone talks about studying smartly. Now is the time for you to take a smart decision and join CSS Corner, because we have the same teachers that you will find in any other academy where we are giving money. So is it not a better thing to come and take and gain knowledge from the same teachers? जो आप दूसरे अकेडमीज में पैसे देकर लेंगे, वही टीचर्स आपको यहाँ मिल रहे हैं विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट. सो टेक अ स्मार्ट डिसीजन.